Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 camera leaks. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 has been the talk of the town for quite a while, and the device is expected to have a few significant upgrades to its predecessors. The device is highly anticipated, with a lot of people believing that it will kick off a new era for folding smartphones. After all, it's no secret that Samsung is currently leading the market as far as foldable smartphones goes. With that in mind, not receiving a camera upgrade for what is already to be a pricey device is disappointing news. A bit of a shock to those who were looking forward to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. A rear 12-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 12-megapixel 2x telephoto, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide are what's expected from the device, to be more exact, and if that rings some distant bell in your mind, it's because these are the exact same cameras that can be found on the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Some users were a little disappointed with them on the Fold 2 as it was, but now we can expect them on the Fold 3 as well. On the flip side, the under-display camera is something that we can be a little excited about. It's said that it will feature a new sensor which will increase resolution from 10 megapixel, which we saw on the Fold 2, to 16 megapixel, as well as decreasing in size from 1.22 micrometers to 1. We can expect to see the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 make its online debut sometime in July or August, with a fall release date. Until then, we'll have to wait and see what new leaks bring along.